Okay, poly spray is on. That looks pretty good. Don't mind that blue paint on my nail. I'm not painting my nails. It's helping the wife with a project of her own. And, but this looks pretty good. It looks good. It's I put some poly spray. I'll have an image at the end showing what that is. Put a little bit here. That's good. Let's take a look at the other side. There it is. Just in Boombox. It's just gonna sit in like so. Anyway, but that's for later. So now what I have to do is start some bracing, right? So these are gonna sit in. They're gonna sit in like this, and then this other woofer is gonna sit in like this, and then these are gonna sit in like so and like so. So it's just you can tell. I think I gotta put a little separator or trim this down with a Dremel. I'll figure that out. I'll probably trim this down so it kind of stays flush instead of kind of pivoting in like that. That way I could go like that. I think that hole's a little too big, but I think I can make it work. It's not that bad. So let's just assume that all that's, you know, set. Next thing is bracing's gonna go here. And as you can see, it's like dead on. There. There. Here. Doing that. And on that board, it's gonna go right here. So you see, I didn't pre-drill the auxiliary part of it. Just did the volume as a guide. So what I'll do is first put this other brace. This is the last brace. This is what the amp's gonna sit on. What I'm gonna have to glue it on. It's gonna sit right there. As you can see, I already did the marking, so I know. And push that down, and there it is. That's the hole I need to drill for the auxiliary. And most likely, let's see here, auxiliary here. I don't have that much room. I might have to come up here or somewhere, or maybe kind of come through a little bit more for power. Because how are we gonna get power to this thing, right? It's gonna be connected here, maybe back around. But that's the gist of it. That's how it looks. Bam, let's see how it looks after everything gets wired all up.